I'm hiking here in the upper grasslands of the Lac du Bois Grasslands Protected Area. It's an old double track that leads up through these glaciated grassland hills. Wildflowers everywhere on a cool spring day. I'll be doing an out and back route up past some ponds and lakes and up to some hilltop viewpoints. This is Stony Lake with Opax Mountain and behind, and looking across the open grasslands here underneath Clapperton Hill and the various glaciated ridges and moraines and other features that are here. Patches of aspen groves, an occasional tree here and there, some junipers. I'm going to head over top of these hills and create a loop route.